What's good, dolls? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla Lashae, and today I am back with a try-on haul, and it's not just a basic one, it's a lingerie try-on haul. I know I have a lot of lingerie, my drawer is exploding, but I can't stay away because lingerie just makes me feel instantly sexy and more confident when I wear it underneath my clothes. And I really wanted to try out the Savage X Fenty line because this is pretty new, I would say, and they have so many amazing styles, like hundreds of fresh new pieces on the website, ranging in all different sizes, which is probably the most thing that I am impressed with. They don't really exclude anybody. You can get sizes from extra small up to a 3X. And then for the bras, you can go from a 32A all the way up to a triple D. So I just love the size range. I love the different styles and the variations that you can get that fit everyone's personality and style, because we're not all the same. We're not all looking for the same things when it comes to lingerie. So I'm excited to give you guys the tea on this. I did partner up with them for this video, which I am so excited to collaborate with them and let you guys know what I think. This is going to be a try on, so you guys are going to see what everything looks like on. So let's bust this bad boy open. This box is exploding, and I picked out everything myself. They do have this extra VIP program, right? So you can get exclusive access to these monthly boxes that are curated by Rihanna or a special guest. So you can get like exclusive things with those boxes, and by joining the VIP, you can get 25% off of everything on the website. You can also get a 30-day return policy included in that, and you're not locked in. You can always cancel whenever you want. So I just love that there's no long-term commitment with it. So the first thing that I got, I say set because they match, but they actually come individually, which is nice because you can pick out the appropriate size for your top and your bottom. Not everybody is the same on the top and the bottom. So I really appreciate that. I got this super cute nude brief, and I love the thick waistband. You can see it says Savage X Fenty on it in glitter. Okay, it's all about the details. And I got it to go with this matching ribbed tank top. So I just want to sleep in this little set. I can already tell it's going to be so comfortable. And I just love this color against my skin tone. It is ribbed, and it's very soft and really stretchy. I got this in a medium as well. So, love that. I also got something a little bit similar, sort of within that same little collection, and I got a soft pink version of it. So I got the thong bottom this time. You know, wanted to try out something a little bit different. I don't know if I should have gone down a size to maybe a small because this is my first time ordering, but I will let you guys know on the cards. But this looks like it'll fit me, and it also just has the same glitter detail here on the waistband. So instead of getting the tank top to go with it, I wanted to try it with the little bralette, which I love the thick band. I can already tell it's going to give me a nice bit of support without being uncomfortable like an underwire or something. And I'm just living for this soft pink color. Oh, this next set is a bra, and I'm living for their bra designs. They're all so different and so unique. You can do bralettes if you don't need to have underwire. You can get bras with more support, more coverage, more lace detail, whatever floats your boat, they have options for you. I just feel like wearing lingerie like this underneath my clothes instantly makes me feel more sexy and more confident. I feel myself, okay? You don't have to see my lingerie to know that I have cute lingerie, because I know, okay? So I'm loving this. It has a nice bit of underwire here, and I love that the coverage is mostly the lace detail. So it's soft and it's more just like dainty, I would say. So definitely gonna give me the support, and I ordered a 34B in all of my bras. So you guys will see in the try on the fit of that. And I like this crossover detail. It's gonna add additional support, and it does have adjustable straps as well. Guys, right now you can get 2 bras for $29, which is such a great steal. So definitely check out the link in the description box so you don't miss out on that. Plus, everything on the website is under $100, which is incredible considering how amazing the quality is and the detail of everything. So these are the matching bottoms, which are just so freaking cute. I don't know if I could try these on for you because it's all see-through, but you guys get the idea. It's matching, and it's just, this is so girly, and I'm loving the mesh and just the pop of color. I had to get this one. So instead of doing all bras, I wanted to try out one of their bralettes, and I'm living for this soft pink. It's just so princessy and so royal. I don't know, I feel like a princess with this. So this one has a little bit of a soft band, I would say. So I think it's gonna give me a little bit of support as well, which I love a good support. And it just has like a triangle cut, adjustable straps, and a classic bra clasp here in the back. So this I got to go with these undies. Oh, these are so cute. Look at the little bow and the design, the ruching on the sides. Like, the quality of this is flawless. Again, I got this in a medium. The satin, oh my gosh, how could you not feel like a queen with this cute little set? This is one of the bras that I also ordered. I think this is a great everyday bra that you can wear underneath all of your clothes. It's gonna give you great support. It has underwire, adjustable straps, and also these come in so many different colors, so you don't have to get like the nudes, but I really like the nudes. They have literally pops of color, nudes, the basic black and white, so whatever fits your unique style, they have it. And I know that Rihanna created this line for confidence and fearlessness, so I love the idea behind it. I feel like every woman should feel sexy in the skin that they're in, and I feel like this is just a great little boost that can make us feel even more sexy than we already do. So I didn't get any matching undies to go with this, but I will show you guys the support that this bra offers. This is like the extra bra. Like, you don't need it, but you know you want it. That's this. So this one is a black satin material. I love the lace detail here in the middle that kind of brings everything in together. You can already tell it's going to give you great cleavage. It has the adjustable straps, which I'm all about. And what I love about this particular bra is it has a wider band, like the clasp in the back. There's 3 little eyelets instead of the traditional 2. So it's going to provide extra support. Gonna clasp it together so you guys can see. And this also came in a beautiful purple shade as well if you don't want to be classic with the black. But this is one of those like fun pieces that you can have to wear to just spice up your life, to feel really extra. I'm just living for the detail. They really did an amazing job with all of the freaking detail. So that is just a little look of some of the things that you can expect to find on Savage x Fenty. Again, they have hundreds of fresh new styles up on the website right now, which is incredible. So have fun scrolling and finding pieces that fit your own unique look the best. So far, obsessed with everything, and I know you dolls will be too. So until next time, I will check you dolls in my next video. Bye!